how our placements work at 4 is we offer umbrella placements. So what we mean by umbrella placements is that if I am from PGDM core, I will have the liberty to choose both the specializations of my own interest, which can be maybe finance, marketing, HR, operations, anything.
Faculty and the peer group here are also extremely supportive, so we help each other, and specialization is not a constraint here.
It is not only the company wherein you're getting placed, it is also important the kind of role you're getting placed. And from some time, from like last 2 to 3 years, I think one good major change, which has happened here at 4 is that it's not only the company pipeline which has increased, rather the amount of roles or the job descriptions which have been coming, it has increased significantly.
अगर आप IIM अहमदाबाद जाते हो तो भी आपको ये रोल मिलता है, यहाँ तो ये रोल मिलता है. Guys, I'm in South Delhi today. और साउथ दिल्ली में कोटू इंस्टीट्यूशनल एरिया वेयर आई एम स्टैंडिंग नाउ. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे MBA कॉलेजेस हैं, IIFT है, IMI है और फूड दिल्ली जहाँ मैं लास्ट ईयर भी आया था. और इस बार हम प्लेसमेंट्स की स्टोरी कवर करेंगे. आई हैव 4 स्टूडेंट्स विद मी. देयर आर 3-4 प्रोग्राम्स. PGDM है, PGDM IB है, PGDM FM है और PGDM BDA भी है. और we'll talk to the students about all of these programs. इनके प्लेसमेंट्स कैसे होते हैं, इनकी इंटर्नशिप्स कहाँ लगी है. तो आइए चलते बात करते हैं. Hey.
Hi sir. Good
How are
afternoon
you?
sir. I'm good. My name is Priyanshu and I'm a student of PGDM FM here.
Okay.
So
FM means financial management.
Yeah, FM is financial management.
Okay.
So let me show you the new attraction over here.
Okay.
So this
First, tell
basketball.
me why are all of the students in blazers? Is it
Okay.
compulsory?
So it was a pre-placement talk happening like here for a company which has just come to the campus.
Okay.
So they all just came out of that only. So
Okay.
so apart from that, like
So this is final placement, summer placement.
this is fine placement.
Okay. तो अच्छी बात है, आज वीडियो में भी हम यही कवर करने वाले हैं, फाइनल और समर प्लेसमेंट. So this is new.
Yeah, this is a new basketball, tennis court, or like it is a multifunctional court. Like so, we play pickleball, we play tennis, we play badminton, we play. There's a small box crate, place over there as well.
Okay. So when do you get time to? Because
Generally in second year, like we have lots of time, ample of time between our classes. So
Okay.
generally for second year students, like we have ample of time, to play here, to enjoy ourselves. Like the college is open till 9 p.m. So we get enough of time for this. For the first year students as well, so they have classes till 4 o'clock somewhere.
Okay.
So like post 4 o'clock, like it is all first like over here mingling and just playing around in the campus.
so all of the students are going out, so they stay nearby.
Oh yes, majority of the students like put up here in Apchini or there's this student area Katwariya Sarai.
Okay.
Or for example, there is this campus hostel as well. So
Okay.
most of them put up there as well.
Cool. Could you talk a little bit about a cutoff for the programs, and then we'll talk about the placements.
So generally, like if it is for the core program, the cutoff lies somewhere between 85 to 90 percentile. If
Okay.
it is for the financial management and the international business program, the cutoff lies somewhere between 75 to 85 percentile. And for the BDA program, the cutoff is between 70 to 75 percentile.
And what is the fees?
Fees is approximately 21 lakhs like for this.
And living extra. If you're
Living
staying.
living expenses are like over and above.
Cool. Let's go and.
Yeah. So like,
Alright guys, I have 4 students with me. I want you to be very honest and talk about placement figures of your college. आप भी videos देख के आए होगे, analysis किया होगा. This is to help the aspirants understand the placements picture at the college. Of course, you are one of the top colleges among the top 50 colleges in India, top few colleges in India. तो आप बताइए कि first of all introduce yourselves. आप अपना UG background बताइएगा और आप कौन से प्रोग्राम में वो बताइएगा और आपका internship कंपनी और रोल बताइएगा प्लीज.
right.
So hi, I am Arushi Sehgal. I completed my graduation in BCom Honours from Shahid Bhagat Singh College, University of Delhi.
So you're from Delhi only?
Correct, yes. I'm from Delhi only. Post which I was placed with Deloitte. I worked there for almost 3 years.
Gurgaon.
Correct, yes. And now I'm pursuing my post-graduation in PGDM Finance and Marketing from Ford School of Management.
Great.
And last year I completed my summer internship with Pladis, which is basically the parent company of McVitie's, wherein I was interning in the e-commerce performance marketing
Could
domain.
you also share about your percentile if you want to?
I scored 89 percentile and I got into PGDM core program
And
here.
which B school did you convert along with 4?
I converted 4. I converted IMI, Tapmi, Gym Goa. But
You left IMI and all to join 4 days.
yeah, the sole reason was because of the dual specialization program that 4 offers.
Okay.
Because in IMI, I could only pursue maybe finance or some other single course, wherein here I had the opportunity to go ahead with maybe 2 specializations at one time.
So you stay nearby? Where do you stay? Where's your...
Not nearby, but I live in a radius of maybe 20 kilometers. So yeah.
The good thing about college being in Delhi is if you're a Delhiite, you have options to a lot of colleges, but this college is specifically in South Delhi, so it's in the cream part of Delhi. So a lot of people, you know, उनके घर ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है यहाँ.
Correct. Even I am a day scholar. I never opted for hostel, so even I commute daily.
But then how do you manage time to just be, you know, involved in all the activities? क्योंकि, you know, ऐसा नहीं होता कि आपको, how do you manage that?
I mean, first year mein it was quite difficult because of the classes ka schedule. So we used to have our classes from 8 in the morning till maybe 3 or 4 in the afternoon, post which we had to like stay back for the committee work. But other than that, I don't think it's an issue to travel. Like if you know you have your home, the comfort of your home within a radius of 20 kilometers is not an issue at all. Yeah.
So your role was in internship, was it?
E-commerce performance marketing.
Okay. And are you placed for finance?
Yes, I got a PPI from Pladis itself.
Okay.
Yeah, so I converted the PPI and now I'm like.
Could you, great. So pehle, since this is a placement video, could you talk what does a PPI mean?
Yeah.
How did you get it? And yeah, how many students were there in the internship? What was your role about? And what do you think you did, you know, beyond what other people did that helped you crack this PPI?
Sure. So basically, when you are interning with any company, there are two kinds of possibilities that you may end up with. One can be a PPO, which is a pre-placement offer, wherein a candidate is given the job opportunity right away. They are not supposed to sit for any interview, like any extra interview. Whereas for PPI, which is a pre-placement interview, the candidate is already shortlisted by the company based on their work experience, whatever they've performed in the internship. And then there's just 1 or 2 rounds of extra interviews with the panel, like how was the internship, what did I learn, will I be, you know, preferring them for a final placement as well. That's the only difference between a PPO and a PPI. So specifically, if I talk about Pladis, so only 2 of us were there, like only 2 of us were interning with Pladis. One got a PPO in the sales team and I got a PPI in the e-commerce domain.
So your what is this performance marketing? Could you talk about this?
Yeah, sure. So if I simplify it in layman language, performance marketing is not about a brand being the loudest. It's basically about a brand being right in the sense present in the right time at the right place. So I was particularly interning in the quick commerce domain, which is Zepto, Swiggy and Instamart. So in those particular platforms, what is the timing of the ads that we run? What cohort are we targeting? What are the
by ads you mean Google ads?
Ads as in specific ads on that particular platform. So
Which
Zepto,
Okay.
for instance, will have a different algorithm altogether. Swiggy, Instamart or Blinkit will have a different algorithm altogether. So there we were planning campaigns, like which campaign will go live on whichever platform, what kind of ads will be ran, what kinds of products will be pushed on those platforms, and if a campaign is to be run for the entire day or for a particular timing. So for example, specifically for Delhi NCR, when we were running campaigns, there used to be very specific pay days. So for example, if a person is getting their salary on the 31st or maybe 1st, for the first 10 days we'll be pushing our ads immensely just to reach to the right cohort, to the right audience.
Understood.
Whereas for the middle of the month we might be a little slower, and then again towards the end of the month we'll be trying to push a lot with our products. So performance marketing is just basically pushing your ads to the right cohort and to the right audience and designing the campaigns accordingly.
Great. 2 questions. First of all, performance marketing is very new. So were you taught this? How did you learn all of these things that you did? I'm assuming you did all of these in the internship.
Correct.
So how did you happen to learn all of these?
Okay, so if I'll be very honest, initially I was of the opinion that I might be turning into a sales role until the time I got my offer letter, and it specifically mentioned that I'll be working with the e-commerce domain. So I did not really have the time to prepare for it like beforehand, but once I entered my internship, I would really like to give a huge shout out to my team and the mentor which was there in the company, because they literally guided me at every step. It was a very meaningful experience for me because I had no background of marketing in general. So performance marketing is a even more niche
So
thing.
in Deloitte, were you a tax?
I was in the audit domain.
Cool.
Hanji, I was in the audit domain, and specifically for the investment management clients. So it was more finance
totally new
inclined.
profile, yeah.
Yeah, I had zero background of marketing, but then stepping into Pladis, the mentor was so helpful. They literally taught me every little, terminology or jargons that we use. What are the metrics that we use to, measure the KPIs of our campaign. So every little detail she has taught me there. And I think I was very lucky enough that I got to intern in such a niche domain and I got to learn what actually performance marketing is.
So this is my next question. Do you get now in 2025 from you?
Yeah.
Do you get roles in performance marketing from Ford, or was your an exclusive role?
Yeah.
My question is about non-sales roles. Please talk about
We
the
do.
companies
Yeah.
and the roles that you got last year and maybe this year also. Internship and final placements included.
I wouldn't say like specifically performance marketing, but yes, from the last couple of years, we have been getting roles for domains like e-commerce. We get roles in key account managers of these e-commerce platforms. We have companies like Honasa, HCL, we have Wings, which are specifically asking for candidates for the e-commerce domain for key account manager domains. So performance marketing, yet as I said earlier, it is a very niche domain, but yes, we do get a lot of opportunities for the key account roles and e-commerce roles. Do you want to add something?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think even this year only, certain new accounts were added, to the long list of companies like which come here. So, for example, Piramal Consumer Consulting, like Consumer Healthcare came here and they opened this role for e-commerce marketing manager, and they also opened like profiles for consumer marketing. So these were like the two new profiles which entered into the array of profiles which are offered here on the campus.
Cool. Before I go on into your internship and final
Right.
placement, talk to me about overall placement figures. You have 4 courses. What is a salary number that people can expect based on last year? And an internship stipend that people can realistically expect from your college? You can choose to answer for all the 4 courses. If it's similar, you can choose to give one answer for all of them.
So I would say, majority of the companies which come here, they come for blended roles.
Okay.
So if I have to talk about separately, like for the core program
So
or
blended,
FM
you
program,
mean the placements are pooled.
placements are pooled. Placements are like umbrella placements happen here, and even the roles which come here. So it might be possible that the role is for a tech, it is a tech company, but it might be coming for a finance role, right?
Okay.
So it happens here. So generally majority of the roles which are coming to the campus now are blended.
Okay.
So if I have to talk separately about each of the program, like how internships or how placements are happening, it would be a little difficult.
Okay.
So whatever numbers we are speaking here, like from now onwards, like they'll be more about in an umbrella term only. So if I have to talk about the placements in general, so Ford claims that the average package here is like close to 16.2 lakhs per annum for across all the programs, and somewhere if you see, it is actually pretty close. So if you have to talk about, since there are many students who, grab opportunities from outside the campus as well. There are many students like who bag opportunities from various case competitions. So if I include everything in general, so yes, definitely the package which is claimed here on papers is actually on ground as well. But if I have to realistically talk about, since this is CTC, so if I have to realistically talk about the in-hand component which comes, so it is somewhere close to 12 to 14 lakhs per annum.
So around 80,000 is what you can expect per month.
Probably like somewhere between 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month is something which you can get in hand.
Guys, this is a very honest representation of what
Priyanshu.
guys, this is a very honest answer which Priyanshu is giving right now. ये आपको in hand salary directly बता रहे हैं. CDC से उतना फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता. And I'm sure he's being honest right now. आप 4 आते हो तो 80,000 से 1 लाख की सैलरी एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. And this is across domains. ऐसा नहीं है
Across
कि
domains, yes.
BDA में कम होगा, PGDA में ज़्यादा होगा, ऐसा नहीं है. Cool.
So yeah, so this is the minimum, like I think minimum or near to
Average,
average salary
yeah,
which you can expect. But if I have to talk about the upper end, then there are like companies which coming with a package of 70 lakhs per annum as well.
Okay.
Companies which coming with packages of like 30 lakhs or 40 lakhs per annum as well.
Okay.
So it is up to you how you convert them. But on an average, like if you're a student, like you can anyway expect any time between 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees per annum. Like,
Which is good if you're a
that is very
fresher.
good, yes.
Yeah.
If you're a fresh.
How many of your freshers?
I am a fresher.
Okay, so it's a great thing if you
I
can.
think really like even I am fresher only. I just have an year's experience
Yeah.
only, so I would also consider like as a fresher only. But what package I am getting from here like is a good one only. Like I
All
think
of
it
you
is-
are placed.
Yeah, all of us are placed. yes.
Okay, and are all of your figures greater than or equal to what the figure that you mentioned?
I think they are like more than average.
More
only.
than
yeah.
average. Great. Okay, so the better students are here. Okay, talk to me about the roles now. Then we'll get into.
Right.
And you seem to know a lot about placements.
Right.
If you're in PGDM, I'm sure you can get all the roles. पहले
Right.
उसके बारे में बताइए, फिर हम अलग में जाते हैं. What kind of roles in finance? जैसे Deloitte का audit भी एक तरह का
Right.
role है. A lot of B school students get it. कल ही मैं एक बीस स्कूल गया था, वहाँ पे मिलता है आपको फाइनेंस, मार्केटिंग और बाकी डोमेन्स में क्या रोल्स मिलते हैं, कौन से
So, if I have to specifically talk about the finance roles, so since I am from PGDM FM only, so there are various companies which are coming for investment analyst roles. There are companies like there are banks like multiple banks, like name of you name any bank, the top ones, like they're coming on the campus and they're coming for roles like relationship manager. They're coming from roles like area manager. They're coming for roles like wealth managers.
Yeah.
So all of the banks, majority, and like they're offering above average only.
Yeah.
All the banks are like offering very good packages and very good profiles as well. However, there is one thing like which many students are like very concerned about, that is the location. So generally like, if banks are coming, they offer like pan India location only. So that is one constraint like that they put. Apart from that, the package or the roles like which they're coming, they're like offering everything in one package only. If I talk about some consulting firms, like all the consulting firms which you can think of, maybe Big Four, apart from Big Four as well, there's some other firms as well which are coming on the campus. They're coming for profiles like technology associate, coming for profiles like financial services associate, like the profile consultant, like the profiles are more of functional based. So like they're more of checking your domain knowledge, and they're placing you as well in roles which are blended. For example, finance guys being put up in Oracle or Fusion Cloud Services. So wherein the functional domain knowledge is very much required. So there are like profiles coming up for ERP or SAP Oracle Cloud as well, wherein domain knowledge of finance is very much required for any consultant to come up with digital transformation initiatives. So these are the kind of profiles in finance domain. If I talk about BDA domain in general, so there are companies like majority of the companies like GCCs as well which are coming here, coming for profiles like technology associate. There are like profiles of pre-sales consultant
for BD also.
For BD as well.
So
Yeah.
it's not it's not that if you're in BD you'll only get analytics roles.
No, not necessary. So whatever profiles they're coming up with, so there is an added element that you need to have an in-depth understanding of analytics as well.
Okay.
So since the job market is changing, the dynamics are like very much changing nowadays. So even if I'm a pre-sales consultant, for example, I need to know very much in detail about the product, whatever we are pitching to the client, and in order to have that understanding, since whatever companies here are coming, they're majorly working in the AI or cloud domain only. So having an in-depth understanding requires a very much functional understanding of the domain as well.
Yeah.
So they're preferring BDA candidates for such
But could
kind
you
of
talk
roles.
about the roles in BD in detail? Because आपने बताया कि बहुत सारे roles आते हैं, सिर्फ analytics नहीं आते. तो फिर किस तरह के roles मिल रहे हैं अभी?
So majorly, since I'm from financial management course, so I was targeting like for those roles only. However, like we have Argudeep here, so like he has a
Sure.
in-depth understanding of the roles which are
Of
coming from
BD, so that people would understand if they should apply.
Yeah, so hi, my name is Argadeep Ghoshal. Talking about the roles in business big data analytics, we have companies like, let's say, WNS Analytics, which comes with core analytics roles where you need to understand cloud, where you need to understand tools like Power BI, SQL, all these type of things. Apart from that, one of the major advantage of a BDA candidate is that since we have dual specialization, as Arushi also mentioned, so you get to learn an additional subject in the second year. So let's say if you have finance and analytics in the second year, any company which comes for a finance, any FSI company, let's say. So let's say an X company has a analytics role, but it is a finance company. So it will obviously prefer you over someone who does not have that analytics background, right? And in today's world where data is a huge thing, data is, the main crux of any business in current age, BDA offers you that extra advantage. Even the course pedagogy, especially in the second year where you have to choose the electives, you can choose according to the JDs which are coming in, according to the roles which are coming in. Every year our course pedagogy changes, and it is changed in consultancy with the companies which come in. So let's say when a panel comes in, our placement office sits with the panel and they understand what they need, and the next year the course pedagogy changes according to it. So any analytics company which comes in, obviously all those information systems subjects are included in the pedagogy.
Okay. I'll be speaking an example in simple words. आप मुझे बताइए वो सही है गलत है, just to understand as a viewer. मेरे को भी डाउट है. Suppose if I'm WNS Analytics, I'm coming for analytics role, and if I'm coming for finance role as well or tech role as well. तो अब BDA में जो dual specialization में finance का बंदा है, he can sit in that placement. ऐसा आप कह रहे हो?
So how the thing
Because the placements are pooled.
pans
हाँ.
out it, we ask the companies what specialization students do you want. So let's say if the company says we want both finance analytics students, so the BDA guy who has finance as the second specialization can apply for both the roles.
अगर कंपनी कह रही है कि फाइनेंस स्पेशलाइजेशन के बच्चे चाहिए,
हाँ.
तो बीडीए के फाइनेंस के लोग भी अप्लाई करते
Yes, 100%.
हैं. Guys, this is I think it's a great insight.
So as Orgudeep also just mentioned about the dual specialization thing, so basically how our placements work at 4 is we offer umbrella placements. So what we mean by umbrella placements is that if I am from PGDM core, I will have the liberty to choose both the specializations of my own interest, which can be maybe finance, marketing, HR, operations, anything. Versus if anyone is from FM, IB or BDA, out of these three courses, one of the specialization is
the
already
same,
fixed,
yeah,
right?
absolutely.
But during placements, whenever a company is visiting the campus, they do not see our first year background, which course we are from. They are only focusing on the specializations that we have.
Understood.
So if a company is offering maybe a finance role, so it doesn't matter whether I am applying for it as a core student with finance specialization, or maybe Priyanshu is applying for that company from the FM background. We only need to have finance as one of the specializations or analytics as one of the specializations. Our courses specifically in the second year doesn't really matter.
Guys, this is very important. इसलिए I'm holding it now. And it's a long video. What they are essentially saying is, and it answers the questions. So 4 specialization है. PGDM core है. Core मतलब normal PGDM, normal MBA program है. बाकी भी MBA program से, but PGDM focus है. तो one is IB, international business. The other is finance, financial management, and उसके अलावा analytics, which is BDA. तो बाकी तीनों में एक स्पेशलाइजेशन आपका फिक्स हो गया क्योंकि आप उस पर स्पेशलाइज कर रहे हो. बट अ सेकंड स्पेशलाइजेशन यू कैन टेक एनी वन. एंड फिर अगर आपने मान लीजिए फाइनेंस में मार्केटिंग लिया है सेकंड स्पेशलाइजेशन, तो यू कैन आल्सो सिट फॉर मार्केटिंग डिस्पाइट डूइंग अ फाइनेंस MBA, which a lot of people do not know.
So if I'm somebody like who could not get into the core program and I wanted to take marketing, for example, but if I'm getting, it through the BDA program as
Yeah.
well, it is perfectly fine because the companies coming to the campus will only specify that somebody is, having marketing as specialization 1 or 2 is eligible for, applying for this role.
Guys, so I think if you guys make use of this information, तो सारे प्रोग्राम से कट ऑफ भी सेम हो जाएंगे. पर अगर अभी थोड़ा अंतर है कट ऑफ्स में, एंड अंडरस्टैंड आई एम सेइंग दिस, सो PGDM और PGDM BDA में हो सकता है कुछ परसेंटेज का कट ऑफ का अंतर हो, बट यहाँ के आप BDA में बैठ के भी बाकी स्पेशलाइजेशंस, बाकी रोल्स में अप्लाई कर सकते हो सकता है 1-2 कंपनी मना करे. सो एसेंशियली ऑफ कोर्स यू गाइज माइट बी टारगेटिंग PGDM कोर मोर, विच इज एन कट ऑफ इज हायर, बट आपको एनालिटिक्स में इंटरेस्ट है थोड़ा सा भी और आपको मार्केटिंग करना है, तो आपके लिए BDA भी ओपन है, एंड यू कैन डू इट इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू गेट इनटू फूड.
So since we are on the topic of specializations, I'd like to share my experience. I have a background in English, which is completely different. And when I came to FOR, my specialization was international business. And I'm placed at ICICI Bank. So it's when the bank came, they said that they prefer people with marketing as a specialization. So my second specialization is marketing. But the domain, if you look at it, is finance. So it has not, what the specialization has done for me is given me a USP that I have a better understanding of marketing maybe, but I'm also amenable to other information that the company wants me to adapt to. And even if it is finance, we all study the same subjects in the first year. So even if I have studied finance, so in the interview they could see that okay, if we put her in a situation where she has to understand things related to the BFSI sector, her specialization does not restrict her. So that way our faculty and the peer group here are also extremely supportive. So we help each other and specialization is not a constraint here.
Understood. But tell me this, एक और सवाल है, इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस तो कुछ स्पेशलाइजेशन है, what are international business roles which are offered? I mean, is it really a specialization now, and what kind of, because your one specialization becomes international business,
Yes.
but उसके कौन से रोल्स आते हैं, मतलब फिर आप उससे कौन से रोल्स को टारगेट कर सकते हैं?
When we talk about roles that come for international business, the way I look at it, international business and marketing are extremely interrelated if you look at it. Because any brand that is marketing itself wants to go global. So अगर आपको marketing की एक in-depth understanding चाहिए, international business is a very good complementary specialization that you can have with marketing. So in that way, and I was also very interested in geopolitics, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता था to understand how the bigger picture in the political world affects businesses in a day-to-day basis. So if there is somebody who is interested, let's say has a political science background, but they also have an interest in business, this is a very good avenue for them to come and explore. their business acumen, which is what 4 has done for me.
What was your internship role? Where you placed?
I was placed as a sales and marketing intern at Care Health Insurance, and I had to study their market penetration in tier 2 cities like Dehradun. So I was in Dehradun for 2 months, and I had to study how much of market penetration Care Health has achieved right now compared to their competitors, and how we can help them grow their
Understood.
footprint.
And what's your final placement role?
So my final placement is at ICICI Bank as a relationship manager.
सो आई वांट टू पीजीडीएम का इन्होंने अच्छे से बता दिया है सारे रोल्स. आप एक बार थोड़ा सा पीजीडीएम के अलावा आईबी और फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट और बीडीए में कौन से रोल्स प्रोमिनेंटली ऑफर हो रहे हैं, मतलब हुआ है, वो बता दीजिए प्लीज.
Okay, so I will start with PGDM FM, which is the financial management cohort. So, the banks come in for the PGDM FM finance specialization. Along with that, companies like, let's say, Mercer, Equity, they come for investment management roles, especially investment management, investment consulting, wealth management, some roles where in back-end roles for fund management as well, some of them come. Along with that, financial reporting and analysis roles comes as well. So let's say for big firms, let's say HCL comes with this type of roles. Coming on to IB, firms like Nestle, firms like ITC, HUL, when they come, or let's say Balmalori, when they come,
So
they
IB
come.
में you get all of these FMCG
Yes.
companies.
So they come with these specializations, and mainly the global brands specifically, they come with these type of roles. Coming on to BD, as I already mentioned as well, that especially the IT companies, they come. Along with that, finance companies, this year we are also seeing a surge, because this year what something different we are seeing is your knowledge in especially SAP, it is the demand is increasing. We had a number of companies who are demanding knowledge of cloud, AWS, all these kind of things. Along with that, Power BI, SQL, Python, these are pretty constant. It has been for the last 3-4 years, and I think it is there to stay. So these kind of roles you can expect from the different cohorts.
Please talk to us about your internship and your file.
So I interned at Marsh McLennan, Mercer. I was an investment consulting intern, and then I got a PPO.
बट ये मार्श एंड मैक्लेनन आपको आरएम रोल्स भी बहुत देती है.
Sorry?
It offers RM roles as well, Marsh and McLennan?
No, Marsh & McLennan generally comes for investment consulting roles.
Okay. What is this role, investment consulting?
Yeah, so over there I was in the pensions vertical. So in the pensions vertical, what we do is, so any Fortune 500 company you can think of, it is there's a high possibility it is a client of Marsh & McLennan, especially for Mercer in the pensions domain. Now when they have a target of, let's say, giving pension to their employees, they and we connect to the fund managers, and we help them to achieve those targets of, let's say Google wants to give $100 million in 2040 to their employees as pension. So we help them along with the fund managers to achieve that 100 million out of, let's say, 10 million, to invest them properly, to keep a track of the global markets, where they can invest, how they can invest, at what risk, all these kind of things. We and the fund managers then go hand in hand with.
Priyanshu, talk to us about your internship and time.
So yeah, I would definitely do that. But before, I think doing that, since like we're already in the momentum, since we just talked about the placements and the kind of companies are coming to the campus, I think it is very important to understand that in the current scenario, it is not only the company wherein you're getting placed. It is also important the kind of role you're getting placed. And from some time, from like last 2 to 3 years, I think one good major change which has happened here at 4 is that it's not only the company pipeline which has increased, rather the amount of roles or the job descriptions which have been coming, it has increased significantly. For example, if I talk about just this year only, multiple roles in workforce analytics and project management, in Salesforce analytics, or maybe in consumer marketing or e-commerce marketing, performance marketing. For example, this year only like Platis came to the campus for e-commerce role. So these kind of profiles are also opening up here, and I think this way, this college itself, is leveling up its game. I think it's very important, for candidates nowadays, while choosing their campus, they also need to think the kind of roles, the kind of variety of roles, the college is offering, apart from the companies which are coming on the campus. if I have to talk about my internship, so I interned at Asian Paints Limited in their sales and marketing domain vertical. So I was based out of Faridabad, and I was into retail sales. So there were like 3 candidates who got placed from campus, and all 3 of us were like in different domains. So I was in retail sales vertical, another one was in institutional sales, and the third person like was in brand marketing. So my role here at Asian Paints Faridabad Depot was that I had to, there was a major challenge of bottleneck which the company was facing. That there was a Pareto principle, applying on the dealer side. That is, the majority of the dealers, that 80% of the dealers were only contributing 20% of the revenues. However, those 20% dealers were, contributing 80% of the revenues. So company was trying to understand that what is the bottleneck, what is the major challenge, like why are key accounts, which hold the majority number of, dealer outlets over here are contributing this so low on the revenue front. So my, task was to come up with strategies that can, increase the brand engagement over long periods of time. So this is a task like which I carried out over 2 months. I went, had a visit to multiple dealers. I talked to them, try to understand what bottlenecks they were facing, from the company front, from the employees front.
Did it involve travel?
It involved travel, yes. So I was given the entire region of Haryana. So I traveled across Ambala, I traveled across Rewari, Faridabad, and all of these places. And my, it was solely on me. So there was like from companies, and it was clear that this is a project. Now it is up to you how you wish to carry it out. So company was providing all the logistics. However, it was me only, or it was solely on the student how he wishes to carry it out.
Understood.
I could have just sit in the office as well and given deliverables of my project. However, they had no say in this. It was all up to the candidate. So what approach I took was that I proactively engaged with the employees over there. I tried to understand the problem statement first, come up with the hypothesis, take down the sales data from of the last 5 years, chalk down which were the areas where bottlenecks were, we were facing bottlenecks in terms of analytics. I made a dashboard to understand from the sales data as to which are the main pain points which I can look up to and which I can talk about with the dealers as well. And this is how I came up with the common problems across the entire cohort, and came up with strategies which were applicable to entire strata of those dealers. And that is how some of the strategies have been being implemented right now. So this was the kind of project I had, and that is why I think this was one good thing that converted this internship into a PPO as well.
What is the role that you're getting? Area sales executive?
So no. So role would be area sales manager only.
You're getting an area sales manager?
Yeah. So for
this is the same role which old IIMs folks get?
Yes. So for example, in the first year itself, I'll be placed as a management trainee for 1 year. Post that, in whichever vertical there will be vacancy, I'll be placed as an area sales manager.
So अगर आप IIM अहमदाबाद जाते हो तो भी आपको ये role मिलता है और यहाँ से भी ये role मिलता है?
The role would be same. However, the difference is in the pay package.
थोड़ा सा, but it's still more than the average package that you mentioned.
Exactly. It is
so
more
it is
than
not
average
less. It is
quite good.
Number
it is
only.
quite good enough. Yeah.
But the role is the same, and the career
trajectory will be same only. There will be no difference.
That's great. So you have और ऐसे कौन सी FMCG companies है जहाँ पे आपको इस तरह का management
I think IT is one of the prominent companies which come to the campus for either sales manager training role only. So there also the career trajectory remains same, and that is the role only for which they go to all Black Eyes and all the other campuses as well.
Great.
So even Platis as well, they offer management training roles across all the campuses. And I think 4 is also now added onto the list from this year onwards.
So you do have few marquee great companies which are very loyal.
Yes.
मैंने भी देखा एशियन पेंट्स के काफी लोग जो अभी ब्रांड हेड्स या मतलब अच्छे रोल में, they are from 4. So that's a great thing that you have.
Right.
Thank you so much for this detailed information. I hope you took out what was needed. We talked about specializations. We talked about the roles in specializations. क्या अंतर है, क्या नहीं है, so that you make a sound decision. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll have another video of one more campus of 4 जो साथ ही रिलीज होगा कुछ टाइम पे. आपके जो डाउट्स है कमेंट्स में पूछिए. ऑल द बेस्ट. स्टे सेफ.